everyone, welcome back. If you don't already know me, I am Estefania and this is Beauty by Estefania. Thank you so much and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fun spring look. It's a nice winged eyeliner. I'm going to be showing you 3 different lippies. Look at this mess. Look at this mess. I'm excited for spring. Like, I'm already sick and tired of the snow. I have so much snow outside still. It's driving me nuts. So I'm like, hurry up spring. So I came up with this spring look for you guys so that you can start feeling the spring fever too, because I am sure feeling it. See how I achieve this look? So please keep watching. Today I'm going to start with a lip peel, and this is by Etrabel and it's a lip lift peel, and I'm just going to apply this all over the lips because I am going to be applying 3 different lippies today, and I want to make sure that I take out any excess skin or nastiness I got on my lips. So after I massage it through the lips a bit, I take a wipe and I'm just gonna wipe that off. So after I apply either lip scrub or a lip peel, I like to moisten and hydrate my lips using a lip mask. And this is a KNC Beauty's All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. This is too cute. We're gonna apply this on the lips. My lips are so small that this thing takes over my lips. I'm going to plump my lippies. We're done with the lips. Well, the actual prepping of the lips. So now we're going to go with the eye. I'm just going to start with my NYX Cosmetics eyeshadow base. Now I'm just going to be using this Ofra Pro palette that I have some Ofra eyeshadows, and then I have Makeup Geek eyeshadows. Today I'm going with this color right here, which is by Ofra, which I don't know the name of. It's gonna be my base of the eye. Our eyes are gonna be very simple today. Not gonna be adding too much eyeshadow. I'm gonna be taking Shimmer Shimmer and just applying that on the eyelid. What I'm gonna do is just, you know, give a little touch of shimmer to the eyelid and make you look awake and not dead. My Morphe, I guess this is a pencil brush, and I'm going to be taking that Shimmer Shimmer color again. I don't know if I focused that. Sorry. And I'm going to be applying that underneath the brow bone. Shimmer Shimmer again and applying that in the inner corners of the eyes. I'm going to be taking the pencil brush again. And I'm going to be taking this brown, which is Mocha by Makeup Geeks. Taking that brown, and I'm going to apply that underneath the eyes, just to darken up that area a tiny bit. So now that we are basically done with the eyes, now we're going to go with the fun part. I'm going to be doing my eyeliner, and today I'm going to be using a helpful tip, which is probably helpful for you if you guys don't already know. And this is what I do when I'm in a super rush and I want to apply eyeliner. It's easy to do and it defines the eyeliner for beginner and don't know how to apply eyeliner. Everyone doesn't know how to apply eyeliner in the beginning. You know, it takes a lot of practice, so this is helpful. You want to line it with your eyebrow and the end of your eye. Whatever shape you want, just make sure, you know, if you want to angle it a little more down, you want to angle it a little more up. Either way, with your eye shape, you see how it's more helpful for you. So I think right there is perfect for me. Just make sure before you apply the tape, you put it on your hand to take out the stickiness. Tap it a little bit so it doesn't move when you're applying the eyeliner. Using a gel eyeliner, and this is by Inglot, and this is the AMC 77, and I love this eyeliner. It's very black. Body Ography Pro angled brush, and I like to start in the middle. I like to line my eye little by little, close to the lash line. Good part, the wing. So I'm gonna draw a line across right at the edge, following the tape line. And then I'm gonna stop like towards the middle, not towards the end. Bring it inwards and like a little triangle. And bam, you've got your first line. Okay. Now that the eyeliner is done, we can continue with the face. And I did the eyeliner today a little bit more dramatic because I don't really have much going on in the eyes. And you know, wanted to do a little dramatic eyeliner. I'm using the Milani foundation and I'm in the color Natural. Just going to be applying that on the face. Pure Cosmetics beauty sponge, and I'm actually going to use my Cover FX setting spray, and I'm going to moist the sponge with the setting spray. And now I'm going to be taking my Revolution concealer, which I showed you guys in my previous video, and this is number C4, and I'm just going to apply that underneath the eyes and wherever I want to highlight. Finish the eyes. I'm gonna add mascara. I'm just gonna apply that on the top and bottom lashes. And with my lashes, and this is by the Goddess Collection. And if you follow me on Instagram, you see that I'm an affiliate with them, so you get 15% off if you use my code. My code is EstefaniaRaiana. And I'm using my Pure Cosmetics bronzer, which is my favorite bronzer. And I think you guys probably get that by now. So I'm just gonna apply that on my cheeks. Okay, today's blush is this NYX Ombre blush. And this is Sweet Spring, and it's perfect because our theme is spring. Highlighter, and this is my Ofra Blush Stripes Illuminating, and this one is already beat up. I love her for the spring and summertime. To just mix that all up, tap it out, and apply that, and look how beautiful that is. This is the Dream Team by Kathleen Lights, and this is by ColourPop, and this is their collab, and it's 3 different lippies, and I'm in love. The glossy one is called Moonchild, and then the peachy nude one is called Dreamy, and then you have this vibrant orange, which is called Rever. We're going to be trying on all 3, so I'm going to swatch them on my hand before I apply it on my arm. Look how pretty that is. This is the gloss. Oh, which the gloss seems to have a little shimmer to it, which I like. I'm probably gonna top that on top of the other one because I prefer a gloss, but look at how cute that is. Putting on the orange one first, which is Revere. such a pretty orange. Oh my god, it's so vibrant. And the blue hue in it is so beautiful. Actually really needed an orange like this, and I am digging it. For the spring and summer, this is a beautiful orange. I'm taking the other Ultra Satin Lip, which is called Dreamy, and I'm applying that. And that's how it looks on the lips. I really like this one, so I'm going to keep this one on the lips, and then I'm going to put on the gloss on top of this one, which is Moonchild, and it actually has a shimmer to it, which I'm excited about. I noticed that when I was swatching it. So I'm just going to apply that on top. Oh wow. That lip combo is beautiful. So I think this is gonna be my summer go-to lip combo. I'm really liking this color. So that's the lippies for you. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful. The few tips that I threw in there. I hope you enjoy this look and you try it. And spring is just around the corner, so I hope this video was helpful. See you next time.